Hi friends, this is Chris with Josephine's Designs. I'm back today in my Limelife planner that I punched and put it in the disc system by the Happy Planner Create 365 Mombi. And this is the Disney Minnie Mouse Floral. And I really have enjoyed this planner. I think what I've enjoyed is, honestly, is the disc system. This is a very different kind of planner for me. And I ordered it specifically because it was a different design. What I have decided is I'm changing my mini plan to carry with me. I've got a big one that I'll be in a video that I'll be doing for y'all. And this one I think I'm going to use for my my YouTube, my crafts, my creative memories, all of that. That is going to be what is in this planner. The reason I'm picking it is because I need to develop some habits, task lists, things like that. And I also want to be more planned in the way that I do my YouTube. So, anyways, life is still really hectic and crazy, and I spent today on the phone since I woke up, and it is now 7 o'clock, almost 7 in the evening, and it just never slows down on this estate. So that was not my plan for today, but got out a different plan. So I wanted to make sure I got my planning in, and then I'm free to do the other work that I need to get done. So, all right, guys. So I went ahead and I used this stack of my Ziploc bag of washi that I got on Amazon, and I bought this big kit, and I've loved every minute of it. And some of y'all have written me that you've gotten it as well, and I'm so happy. And what I decided was I was going to do the washi off camera, except for I'm going to put one piece right here, and then that's it. Then I'm going to hop into my stickers, and this is from Five Below. So in this planner, it is going to, the only thing happy is going to be the disc. Everything is going to be inexpensive, stickers, washi, etc. So anyways, because there's no reason to spend a lot of money. Please, 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 only do what you can do. I mean, goodness gracious. I mean, there's so many things in this world we have to do. And so, for me, this has been just a huge fun part of my life, and during a very difficult part of my life. So, God has been very gracious and allowed me the opportunity to do some of these things and find things on sale and, you know, set up a craft room and or craft studio and all that kind of stuff. So I'm very thankful. So that's how quick and easy when you lay the washi. And literally, if that's all you did, how cute is that? That is super cute. I might, you know what, I'm just going to do it right now. I'm going to put another one right there. Yep. So you're going to get to see me put two things of washi. But it is really simple. If you're watching and you haven't used washi, it is so simple to work with. And it's such an economical way to decorate planners, cards, mixed media, the whole thing. So, and that way I used to never let there be a tail, you know, I wouldn't waste it, and I'm not wasting it. So all the little tails that I took off when I was doing this other, I'm using those as little markers for the, what I want to, you know, use today in this planner. So, nothing's wasted, nothing's wasted. And on the thicker washi, I always, always, always use it for my, what do you call it, die cut machine, you know, to hold the dies down. So, no waste. So, alright, this was a really darling sticker book. I got it at Five Below, $2. $2. Now, I say it every time, I try to look for another one when I go. I haven't seen them as much, but you know, just FYI, you know, keep your eyes open when you're there. So, always a good idea. I like that. Or Take Me Away, Best Ever, Yay, Love. Don't forget to get this done. So, that's what I'm going to use this week. I've got so much I got to get done this week. So, I'm just going to put this little cutie right there. And then you just fold it over. Isn't that cute? So, alrighty. I'll take this sticker off. Save it in the front so I can use it for the next week. And you can throw these away. You don't have to be as cheap as I'm being right here, but I mean, it's kind of a neat way to mark what I want to, you know, to plan ahead when I was looking. So, I do want to put a weekend sticker. I think these are so cute. Goodness gracious. I love these banners. Let me get it straight. I hope you guys are having a good week. Ours has been incredibly busy, but yay, it's Friday. Though for us this week, there is so much I have to get done over the weekend. We've got a ton of tax work to do, so that's why I'm trying to get everything done early. I hope you guys can see this. I'm trying to check that I'm in the frame, and I am going to be taking care of all kinds of bills on Monday. So I'm going to put that there just as a reminder that even in my craft, you know, goodies I need to make sure, and my creative memories I need to make sure I'm at, even in that bill keeping. And let's see, do I want to put anything else here? I'm going to put this here, love it, because by next weekend I am excited to be we're going to be going to the Southwest, so we are going to love that. Alright, let me see, and we're going to kind of be all over. We're going to go and scout out wedding, and we're going to stop at different places all over, you know, a couple of states, so it is going to be just lots of fun. You know, Texas is so big. It's nice when you go to other states that you can get across quicker, so it makes it nice. Once we get out of Texas, we need to take advantage of going to all the different things. So I think I'm done on this page. Whoops, I got sticky there. I must have done that backwards. Silly me. Here we go. Huh. Oh, I know what I was going to do. Okay. I will straighten this out later. But I did want to put these down for the kind of those map icons, but I don't, you know, I'm not using it as a map icon. But on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, but actually I won't this week on Friday, I'll do it on Thursday. I am going to be sure to get some things done for the channel, because I think Friday I'll be packing. But yeah, alright, and I will be cleaning. Even though this doesn't have anything to do, I am working on getting the house in order so we can get back into the craft studio. So this is just going to be up here, because this is going to be all about getting things done. Alright, there's that. And, okay. Alrighty. Okay, hold on, let me see. Okay, I really do like this paper pad. It is really, really, really so sweet. Okay, so by Wednesday, I won't be able to wait. I'll be super excited. So I'm going to put that there, because I will be getting things ready. And then on Sunday, we will be having fun. Let's see. We're going to do a lot of stuff on the way out and on the way back, so we are all super excited. I was literally trying to think how many times we have been out in the Southwest, and gosh, it's you know, first I said over 20 times, and when I was talking to my oldest, she said, "Mommy, I think it's more than that." I was just like, I'm afraid you may be right. So, and we love all different kinds of areas of the Southwest, so you know, but we're going to go do some things that I love, and I'm super excited. And my husband loves, my family loves, so it should be a lot of good times. So on Friday, we are going to have a really good attitude and make a list of anything I'll be taking for you guys. For my YouTube or any of that, you know, YouTube, Instagram, creative memories, all this is what this planner is all about. So, okay, and I think what I'm going to do down here is, excuse me, I'm going to put some flowers. Oh goodness, I've got a huge order coming in of card making supplies for the wedding, and I literally bought some trunks and those paper beautiful boxes that are like suitcases to take on the trip for the wedding. And I just thought, I'm gonna do this, we'll have this, it'll just be ready to go. I love that. And I've looked at tons of pink roses and greenery and all of that because I want to make sure I had everything that everybody wanted. So I think I'm going to put 1, 2, 3. I think I'm going to put 3 of these. So I'm going to put this in the middle. And I can make a list there. And if I don't know if you can see that those are little bitty different colored mustaches. They're so cute. And I think I'm going to put... Let me see. Nope, I'm going to put this one. Woo, it all came. I'm going to put this one here. Because on these, I can still write on these, so I kind of like that. I'm not giving up my space. And I'm going to put this one here. And then one right there. So, I don't want to put too much. I think I'm going to put that there. So, here we go. Do I want to put any flags? I might put some flags over here on these different days that I don't have much because those are just cute. And, yeah, I'm going to put a yay here because everybody needs a yay. Here we go. Whoops. Excuse me. Oh, it's pulling up. So it's going to go as is. I'm going to leave it. Not going to force it. And I'm going to put one up here. Because this needs some color. Actually, I'm going to put that one there because it kind of goes with the other goodies there. And then I think I'm going to put some of this one because it's just pretty. No, you know what? I think I'm going to go with this one because I've got that dark washi. This is not my favorite color washi, but I'm making myself use things that I have in my stash. And then I'm adding other things to it, so then I really enjoy it. So it works out fine. Let me see here. Anything else? Yeah, maybe put a little something up here. Then I think I am done, guys. So literally, this has been, you know, planned with pennies. You know, don't spend a lot of money. These washi are super inexpensive. You can find washi at the Dollar Tree. Pardon me, Dollar Tree. Can't catch my breath there. And then these stickers were from Five Below. So we're talking pennies to plan this. So I am going to put a little something right up here that says next week. And I am going to say yay. Because I'm excited for the next week. Alright guys, that's it. I'm done. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Again, this is my Limelife planner. And this washi's from Amazon. And it comes in a larger kit. And I will be using this forever. And then these stickers are from Five Below. So it doesn't take a whole lot to plan. I'm also going to be having an inexpensive but quickie drawing. So today is Friday. By next Friday, I'm going to draw. And anybody who leaves a message or a comment below this video, you need to be in the United States, you need to be 18 years or older, and you need to be a subscriber to this channel. And I would like you to tell me, answer the question, do you like decorating your planner? And if so, do you like finding the most inexpensive way to do it but still pretty? Or do you like to buy the beautiful kits that are out there? So, anyways, I hope you guys will like this. I'm probably going to throw a couple other goodies in with this, but just basically it's this little planning notebook that I picked up at Five Below. So, alright guys, so we have a drawing. We finished this. I'm using, again, the Amazon washi. And again, this Five Below. So, yeah. Well, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed, please subscribe to this channel. We'd love to have you be a part of us. And, most importantly, I pray your day is blessed, creative, and lovely. Thank you so much for stopping by. I so appreciate each and every one of you. And I hope this encouraged you today. So, alright guys, I'll be talking to y'all soon. Y'all take care. Bye-bye.